Hi, I'm Mark Kroll, Product Manager for Montana Fifth Wheels. Keystone RV's Montana team believes you deserve the most advanced fifth wheel possible. That's why we are constantly working with our partners to provide you with the most cutting-edge technology. After years of research and development, we have developed the most powerful and durable solar power system, SolarFlex.
The grid-style 265-watt solar panel operates at a higher voltage and provides more power than the smaller, less advanced systems available on other RVs. High impact resistance and screwless corner joints on an aluminum frame provide the panels with superior durability and better protection on the road and in severe weather.
What really makes the solar system shine is its 30 amp maximum power point tracking, or MPPT controller. Not only does the controller prevent overcharging and guard against drainage, but it optimizes energy conversion to your battery. That means you're always getting the best voltage for your batteries. Other systems use a pulse width modulated, or PWM regulator. Our MPPT system is up to 40% more powerful than those systems.
With premium batteries, you're able to run the residential refrigerator for up to 3 consecutive days. The SolarFlex system also includes a 2,000-watt inverter that gives you unprecedented versatility while dry camping. We recently added a 5th inverted outlet in the living area to supply the heat, massage, and power recline functions to the theater seating. We've talked a lot about camping off the grid, but solar power can be a huge benefit even while connected to shore power. Solar-charged batteries are safer to use than propane while in transit. Your fridge can run off the battery while on the road, keeping your food fresh for days. Not to mention, fully charged batteries lead to a smoother running coach and extend its lifespan.
To learn more about the SolarFlex system and other great Montana fifth wheel features, please visit the Montana Digital Showroom at KeystoneRV.com.